Okay, welcome back to class. Still on multiplication and division of algebra. We have quite a number of questions on the board that we need to solve to enable us understand the in-depth knowledge of how to multiply algebra. Alright, let's get into it. Question 1 says 3 times 4c. 3 times 4c. Now, well, first we're going to expand this number, and it looks like this. 3 times 4 times c. You can see 4 and c are now standing on its own. So we're going to simply multiply 3 and 4 together, which equals what? 12. Then 12 times c equals c. And then the answer is 12c. Okay? Question 2. We have 2x times 5y. Just as we did in the first question, we are going to expand this as well, which becomes 2 times x times 5 times y. So bring the numbers together and take the letters aside. So we have 2 times 5 times x times y. And then we have 2 times 5 is what? 10 times x times y. So therefore the answer is 10xy. I hope you're following. Question 3. We have 12a divided by 3. Okay, so what do we do here? We simply what? Say 12 times a over 3. Right? So we divide 3 here, 1, 3 in 12, we have 4. Therefore, our answer equals what? 4a. 4 times a equals 4a. I hope you're catching up. Question 4. 6rs divided by 2r. Alright, so in this case we would say 6 times r times s over 2 times r. Now here, 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 6 is 3. Then r cross out r. So what are we left with? We are left with what? 3 times s, which equals 3s. I hope it's easy. 5. 3p over 2 times 6q over p. Now I'm going to expand it as usual. We have 3 times p times 6 times q all over what? 2 times p. You can see I've expanded it now, which makes it very glaring and easy for us to what? Divide numbers and values and letters, sorry. P cross out p. 2 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 1, sorry. And 2 into 6 is 3. So we have 3 times 3 times q. 3 times 3 is 9. And then q. So the answer is 9q. I hope this helps to solve questions that have to do with multiplication and division of algebra. If you need to know more about addition and subtraction, please go forward, check my videos that has to do with addition and subtraction of algebra, and you will see all what you need to know there about addition and subtraction of algebra. And here we have multiplication and division of algebra. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and also share. Okay, do have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.